Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set a camera timer on your iPhone. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up the camera app. Then we're going to press on the three dots on the top right, and here we're going to select timer. And here select the time that you want, so 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or off. So there we go, select at 5 seconds. And now all you need to do is just press the shutter button, so to take a photo. And the photo will be taken in the amount of time you've selected. So there we go, it's taken a night mode photo. You can disable that too, but there we go, the photo has been taken, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.